Hi everyone, Jim Fultz here, National Technical Trainer for Sensi by Copeland, wanting to talk to you about adding an accessory to your Sensi Touch 2 thermostat. There are two ways to add this accessory. One is with the transformer that comes in the system, which is in the furnace or air handler. The other is the accessory has its own transformer, and we allow for either type of application. For the type that uses the system, the furnace or air handler 24 volts, that 24 volts comes to the thermostat in the RHRC where it powers the thermostat, and then it will come out of the thermostat in what we would label as ACC+. That ACC+ will send that power to whatever accessory that you've hooked up to this, whether it's a humidifier, dehumidifier, or a ventilator. To make that work, on the back of the Sensi Touch 2, there's a dip switch, and that dip switch in the thermostat itself will read accessory or system. If we are using the 24 volts from the system, as we just explained, we will have that dip switch set to system. If we switch that dip switch to accessory, that means it will have its own standalone 24 volts. And you will simply take the 24 volt from that accessory and power it to the ACC minus, and then the ACC minus to ACC plus will act as a set of dry contacts. When that accessory is energized, those contacts will close and will send the power out to ACC plus to whatever accessory is hooked up. Within the settings of the Sensi Touch 2, you can change that configuration to either have power all the time and be de-energized to make the unit work, the accessory work, or you can have it so that it only energizes when you want the accessory to work, depending on what type of accessory you are hooking up to it. Thanks for watching. Good luck with that accessory.